I guess you won't be going to any dances in college. This is our last one. You know, Davis has a terrific theater, if you're still interested in theater. Are you?
I'm probably no good at acting. Why don't I look like the girls in the magazines?
It's too bad I can't meet this Kyle before prom.
He's not even my boyfriend anymore. I mean, maybe he never even was.
I'd still like to meet him.
It's too tight. Fuck.
I suggested you not take that second serving of pasta.
Dad!
Honey, you seem upset about it. I'm trying to help you.
Dad, you're giving me an eating disorder. I wish I had an eating disorder. I love it.
Is it too pink? What?
Why can't you say I look nice?
I didn't even think you cared what I think.
I still want you to think I look good.
I'm sorry, I was telling you the truth. Do you want me to lie?
No, I just wish... I wish that you liked me.
Of course I love you.
But do you like me?
I want you to be the very best version of yourself you can be.
What if this is the best version?